Yale Real Living Touchscreen and Push-Button Deadbolt, Factory Reset. Please note, following a factory reset, the first activation of the keypad will start the automatic lock handing process. To reset the lock back to the original factory settings, start by removing the battery cover, outer two batteries, and interior escutcheon from the interior mounting plate. Make sure you leave the keypad cable plugged in. Press the red Factory Reset button and keep it depressed for a minimum of 3 seconds while reinstalling the batteries. Once the last battery is installed and the blue light bar is illuminated, release the red Factory Reset button. The lock announces, "Welcome to Yale Real Living." The lock is now reset to the original factory settings.
Welcome to Yale Real Living.
Next, reinstall the inside escutcheon and battery cover.